Hey veterans out there, Travis Studdard back with another video following up on a recent one I just did on the situation that occurs sometimes to veterans when they apply for an increase on a particular disability, and then in response to that, VA sends back a VA Form 21-8940. And again, that form is part of what is required for an application for TDIU or individual unemployability benefits. And if you received one of these forms, I explained in a prior video why you may have received it, but now I want to answer the question of, okay, so now I've gotten this form from VA, what do I do with it, and when do I have to do something with it? First off, you need to respond and submit the information asked on that form within 30 days of VA sending it to you. If you don't do that, if you don't do it during that time, then VA's own rules say that they will administratively deny your claim for TDIU. So again, it doesn't matter what sort of evidence you likely have of unemployability. If they send you that form and you don't complete it and don't send it back to them, then you're going to receive a denial on TDIU benefits. If now in that situation, that doesn't mean your whole claim has gone down the tank. The other claims that you made for increased ratings should still be considered by VA. So again, if you're seeking an increase from 50 to 70 on your PTSD, they're not going to adjudicate your TDIU without the 8940 form. However, they will still consider whether your PTSD has increased in severity and should be evaluated at perhaps 70 or even 100% scheduler. So if you get it and you think that you are potentially eligible for unemployability benefits, which again, if you're working full-time and making good money, then chances are you're not going to qualify. It would have to be a very limited exception, which I cover in some other videos I've already done. But if you're not working, if you think you would like to file for unemployability, then VA has sort of done you a favor, even though it is required by them to do this in certain situations, by sending you this form. So fill it out, get it back to them within the 30 days, and then your application is substantially complete for TDIU, and they will issue a decision. If you get a denial or if you have questions anywhere in that process, again, reach out to us. Our website, whenyourvetclaim.com, and we can see what we might be able to do. So again, this is sort of unusual where VA is sort of asking you to apply for a benefit, but it does happen, and that's how you need to proceed with it. So hope that helps, and again, check out our other videos.